Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix spending trends with Truebill, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start fixing your spending trends with Truebill, download the Truebill app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account using your email address. Follow the prompts to set up your profile and link your bank accounts. This step allows Truebill to analyze your spending habits effectively. Next, allow Truebill to scan your transaction history for the last few months. Review the insights provided by the app on your spending patterns. Look for categories where you overspend, such as dining out or subscriptions. Truebill will highlight these areas, making it easier to identify unwanted expenses. Set specific budgets for each spending category based on the insights gathered. Once your budgets are set, Truebill will send you alerts if you approach or exceed these limits. Using the app's features, cancel any subscriptions that you no longer use or need. This process can free up funds for more necessary expenses or savings. If you have recurring bills, Truebill can also help negotiate lower rates for you. Simply select the bills you want to lower, and allow Truebill to work on your behalf. Keep track of your progress through the app's dashboard, which displays your spending against your budget. Make adjustments to your budgets as necessary based on your ongoing spending patterns. Over time, this process will help you become more aware of your spending habits. Regularly review the analytics provided by Truebill to stay informed. Utilize features like automatic savings to set aside money for your financial goals. Finally, consider scheduling weekly check-ins with the app to maintain consistency in tracking your spending habits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.